One of the key fundamentals of Kinghitter post drivers is the post steering ability. Now what makes Kinghitters great at this is the Postcap system. How it works is you attach the Postcap to the hammer and lift the hammer and the Postcap up the mast using the post driver controls. Once it's high enough, you can put your post underneath the Postcap and then lower it down. So in this case here we've got 100 MB steel post with a bolt-on shroud system. That's holding the top of the post and holding the post in position. So we're not having to hold the post there. The cap holds that. Once it's there, you disconnect it from the hammer and the hammer drives the post into the ground. The post cap slides down the mast with the top of the post. A key feature of this as well is the guard. So we've bolted a guard around the top in what we like to call the impact zone. That impact zone changes with the top of the post, and that means it's guarded whatever height the post is. Really cool feature. This version here is the interchangeable post cap system, which means we can actually bolt on different shroud shapes and sizes depending on the post type you are hitting in the ground. This post is 100 MB steel. We can do different shapes for larger posts, smaller posts, timber posts, concrete posts. For concrete posts we put a little rubber pad in there. So any post type we can have a solution for you. We've had feedback from people that use this system and say they use much less effort than they did before trying to keep the posts in line, and they're not exhausted at the end of the day. So the machine is doing the work for you. It's holding that post in position. If you have any questions about how this system might work for you, please give us a call. More than willing to talk to you. Thank you.